Hello.
It's Tifa!
And Tifa's dead. Of course.
And what?
And Tifa's dead, of course.
Yeesh. Your place is very messy.
Yeah, very. It's
Very
Cloud's
nice.
fault.
Well, do you live with Cloud?
Of course.
Aha. In what, in separate rooms or not? Do you guys have separate rooms?
Yeah. Very separate rooms.
No! Fucking hair.
Just like for a normal moment.
No! Don't touch my mommy! That's mommy. Mommy.
I'm gonna take mommy.
Roll away. Roll away. Roll away. Oh fuck! The couch is in the way, damn it! No! No! I will not let you take mother away from me. No! I've got a piano!
Actually, it's a keyboard.
I don't care! I'll hit you with it.
You'll
I
come
don't
back
need
to me
materia to
eventually.
kick your ass!
You'll come back to me eventually, and I'll wait.
No! I don't need materia to kick your ass.
Dude, I've got materia.
Yeah, I don't need it, though.
Da, da, da.
I'm gonna take that.
No, you're not!
Okay, so if you promise not to take mother, then I won't take any of your materia.
I'm not Yuffie.
Wanna go running around outside?
Blizzara!
I don't think it worked. Wanna go outside? Can we go outside, please?
Damn, I'm out of MP.
Dodge wants to go outside.
Because Dodge wants to go outside.
Should we go outside?
Should we do it in like the next video?
Okay.
Because it's like already like 2 minutes.